Welcome to Turbo Talk. Today we are diving into a true legend on wheels, a 1,500 horsepower big turbo Volvo Wagon that's the ultimate sleeper machine. 1. Exterior design. At first glance, it looks like a clean, stock Volvo V70 wagon. Understated lines, factory silver paint, roof rails, and OEM wheels. But don't let the tame look fool you. This is a monster in disguise. 2. Interior mods. Inside, it's a sleeper blend of comfort and function. Original dash and seats kept intact, but with added racing harnesses, roll cage, digital dash cluster, and a hidden kill switch system for extra stealth. 3. Engine turbo setup. Under the hood is where it gets wild. A fully built 2.5 liters inline 5 engine, forged internals, and a massive precision turbocharger pushing over 45 pounds per square inch. It cranks out 1,500 horsepower on E85 with Meth injection. 4. Performance. This wagon hits 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds and traps over 180 miles per hour in the quarter mile. It's a legit supercar slayer that still hauls groceries. The exhaust note, angry, brutal, and turbocharged fury. 5. Chassis handling. Upgraded coilovers, wide semi-slick tires, reinforced subframe, and a custom AWD swap give this wagon both straight-line grip and cornering capability. It's built for racing, not just showing off. 6. Why it's special. It's the ultimate sleeper. It looks like your neighbor's Volvo but destroys Lamborghinis on the strip. Built with passion, tuned with precision, and disguised with style. Thank you for joining us.